Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss some interesting concepts on testing. I'm very excited to share those concepts. I hope you are also excited to listen those concepts. As in the previous video, I told that I will explain about the manual testing, but I need to give pause by going to that actual manual concepts. We will see what are those today important concepts in this lecture. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Why you choose your career as a software tester? This is the most important question in interview. But as a software tester, you should know why you choose your career into the testing platform. I have many reasons to say that, but taking only few and important points. So first point is solving puzzles. Testing is a kind of solving puzzles. People should have more logical knowledge. So without testing, no product will going to release in any domain. Example, we are seeing that iPhones release every year one version. So do you think that without testing they are releasing into the market? No, right? Not only the mobiles like aircrafts, domains, websites, everything they will test and release into the market. For a tester, they will be having lots of challenges to face on daily basis, and they should be able to find bugs more than other people. So they should be good in more logical thinking. It is a creative job to find more bugs. This field is not static but dynamic, and it's constantly rising the technology and avenues. So these are the detailed explanation for those points which we've discussed earlier. Many people will having doubt like what are the salaries in software testing. So yes, initially salaries will be less in your career. So for experienced tester, they are now equally earning with developers. Now, more companies are offering more salaries to automation testers than manual tester. But if you know any product or technology, you can also gain more salary equally with developers. So in the testing hierarchy, we will know that not only a tester, you can become test lead, project lead, test manager, and business analyst. Anyone can test, and hence development is more better than testing. For this question, I will give you the best answer. Why testers are equally important with developers? If you remember these 7 points, you can know why testers are equally important with developers. First one, analytical skills. So one should have more analytical skills to become software tester. Second one, communication skills. You need to be good at communication skills for reporting and convincing others. So in the third point, I already mentioned what is meant by convince others. So if you and many people think that it's not an issue, and hence now the real challenges will come into your picture. How do you convince them by saying this it's an issue? Yes, as a tester, you know more functionality than developers, and hence, tester is the right person to say whether the issue is correct or not, or whether the issue is major or minor. Coming to fourth point, quality product. So, software tester will help in releasing quality product into the market. Mistakes. So, developers also do their best to release a good product, but there will be some major and minor mistakes also. Proper documentation. For some project we can see that there will be no proper documentation, but still the challenge is to you should find bugs. Seventh one, explore the system. So we should explore the system to find the bugs and to fix a delivery quality product. You can refer these docs for those 7 points which are mentioned clearly here. Watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more updates, and comment me if you need any documents on testing. Thank you and see you next week.